I recently had several patients tell me that they stopped acupuncture treatment when they found out they were pregnant. And I realized the importance of educating patients and prospective patients about receiving care before, during, and after pregnancy. In this three-part series, I'm going to present to you conditions that I see before pregnancy, during pregnancy, and after you give birth. In part 3 of our series on pregnancy, I'll be sharing conditions that acupuncture can treat after you've given birth. Now, as with both before and during, the list of conditions is numerous, so this is a short list. The top 3 conditions we see for people who have given birth are lactation support, postpartum depression, and fatigue. Now, lactation support, acupuncture helps to support the energies of your body to produce the amount of milk to feed the child or children you've given birth to. We'll also give you dietary advice as well as lifestyle recommendations to promote so that your body has the nutrients to promote that milk production. Postpartum depression is the second condition we see most often. And postpartum depression can be a sadness or even depression. It's like a black cloud hanging over everything. And acupuncture is extremely effective in treating mental and emotional disorders or conditions such as postpartum depression. The third most common symptom we see is fatigue. Now, your body has expended an enormous amount of energy to grow a life and give birth to a life. And now that you've given birth to that life, you have to wake up every couple of hours to feed that life. So that fatigue that you experience both during your pregnancy and during your labor and delivery is now exacerbated in postpartum. So we use acupuncture to kind of support your body to have those energies. We'll also give you dietary advice and lifestyle recommendations about how and when to get the most out of your rest when you can. Other conditions may be holdovers from your pregnancy, such as body aches and pains, low back pain, joint pain, pelvic floor pain, carpal tunnel pain, or headaches. But we can also help you recover from giving birth, whether that mean natural birth, inducted birth, or C-section. Your body has been through a lot, and what we want to do is we want you to help you heal, and acupuncture is extremely effective in that process. Now, also, your cycle will return at some point. So what acupuncture does is it helps to regulate your cycle after that. So it may not be, your cycle may not return until after you stop breastfeeding, but even then, we want you to have a regular cycle when it returns. So receiving acupuncture postpartum can help that, promote that regular cycle after you've given birth. So, the conditions that we've talked about that we can treat after you've given birth are lactation support, postpartum depression, fatigue, headaches, body aches and pains, supporting your healing after you've given birth, and then also regulating your cycle. I hope you've enjoyed this 3-part series, and please continue to watch our videos. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our website, social media accounts, and subscribe if you haven't already. And please, just breathe.